Hello moneymakers, this anime YouTube channel is making well over $10,000 per month easily. They have just uploaded 66 videos and have gained over 1 million subscribers already. If we check their videos, we will find the affiliate link or the brand sponsorship on each videos, which means this channel should be making extra $10,000 every month from brand sponsorship and affiliate marketing. Guys, this is a clear replacement of your 9-to-5 job or people who are looking for a job. They can really take advantage of this opportunity and create a profitable monetized channel in a few months. If you are a new viewer, then let me tell you that my channel is filled with profitable niche tutorials where you can just copy-paste the strategy and make money online. So if you wish to see more of the upcoming videos, just click on that subscribe button now. This will cost nothing to you, but means a lot to me. Coming back to the topic, most of us find it hard to create videos on this niche, and today I have done my homework and found the easiest method to create videos, which I will reveal in this video. So grab a popcorn and watch this video till the end. But wait, what if you don't know anything about anime? Or maybe you've never even watched an anime movie? Don't worry, I don't know much about anime either. So how can we make anime explanation videos? That's where I've got your back. Even though I had no idea about anime, I'll guide you step by step on how you can use a genius hack and a bit of AI to start creating anime videos easily. Alright, let's get into it. Step 1. Research and find topics. Before making anime videos, the first thing we need to do is find out which topics are popular right now. Check which animes are trending and what people are watching the most. Because new and trendy content gets more attention. If you want your video to go viral, you'll have to find trending topics. The anime niche is competitive, so you can't just pick any random anime. We need ideas that have proven demand, things people are already searching for. So how do you find that? First, go to Google Trends and search for an anime to check its overall interest. Then, change the settings to worldwide and set the time range to 90 days. Now, you'll see a trend graph. After that, select YouTube search instead of web search. This will show you exactly what people are searching for on YouTube, which makes it easier to find a hot topic for your video. Scroll down and boom, you'll see YouTube-specific trending searches right there. Look at the trending queries. Right now, a lot of people are searching for the solo leveling anime series, so I'm going to pick solo leveling as our topic. That's how you can choose trending topics. But wait, on your channel, don't just post trending topics. You should also upload searchable topics. These are topics people keep searching for even after years. For example, you can make videos on famous characters like Naruto, Goku, Reborn, or any other fan-favorite characters that people always love to watch. So this is the smart way to mix both trending and evergreen videos on your channel. Alright, now let's create a video on solo leveling since it's trending right now. Once we've decided on the topic, the next step is to generate the script. Now you might be wondering, do I need to watch the entire anime series just to make an explanation video? Nope. In this AI-powered world, you don't have to do all that. To write the script, we'll take help from ChatGPT. But before that, head over to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. There, open the Google Doc I've shared. Inside, you'll find the perfect prompt to guide ChatGPT to create a full script for you. Because if you just give ChatGPT a random prompt, it might generate something totally off. That's why you need the right prompt. And as always, your AI Maskman has already created the perfect prompt for you. If you find my effort helpful, then go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel right now. Alright, now just copy the prompt, add the name of the anime or episode you want a summary of, and give it to ChatGPT. Boom, you'll get a complete script in seconds. But if you want to make the script longer, just type add more scenes and click on the canvas icon. Once you click on the canvas option, ChatGPT will generate a script for you like this. From there, you can shorten or expand the script however you want. You can also add your own lines or make any changes directly in the script. Just read the whole script once and make small edits as per your style. And just like that, your script is ready. Now let's move on to the next step, voiceover. Today I'm going to show you an amazing tool for voiceovers. It's not completely free, but it lets you create a unique voice just by giving a simple prompt. Yes, it's true. Just type in what kind of voice you want, and the tool will generate it for you. I am talking about Hume AI for voiceovers. You can generate voices directly from the dashboard itself. But for now, let's go to the app. Once you sign in, you'll get 10,000 free characters to use for generating voiceovers. Here are some of the voice samples you can try.
I remember back in the day, we'd sit and talk about dreams.
Well, I think that if we are to analyze the situation from a dialectical perspective, we can clearly see the contradictions at play.
Pretty realistic, right? Now to generate your own voiceover, go to the text-to-speech section and click on Playground. Now paste your script in the text box. Next, click on Select Voice. From here, you can either choose a pre-made voice or create your own unique voice. Just click on Create Voice. To get a custom voice style, ask ChatGPT to write a prompt describing the kind of voice you want. Then, paste that prompt into the prompt box. Click Generate, and within a few seconds it will give you 3 voice samples. Choose the one you like best and add it to your project. But for now, I'm going to pick a voice from the preset options. I'll go with the serious movie trailer narrator voice. Now let's click Generate, and that's it. Our voiceover is ready.
Behold, Sung Jinwoo, the so-called weakest hunter, in his natural habitat, on the brink of death, questioning his life choices. If only he had chosen a safer profession.
So that's how you can create realistic voiceovers using Hume AI. I've always been committed to bringing you the best niche ideas and top-tier tutorials, completely free. Over time, many of you have taken advantage of these resources and built successful businesses just by watching my videos. But I also know that some of you want more. That's exactly why I created AI Maskman Academy. Inside, you'll get full access to exclusive courses covering everything you need to build a profitable YouTube business, live coaching calls where I personally guide you through challenges, a private community of like-minded creators to network and grow with. If you're serious about making money with AI and YouTube, this is your chance to learn directly from me. The best part is, for the initial members, I am offering 70% discount to every one of you. So before the price increases, check out the link in the description now. Alright, now gather some clips of anime movie or series. But remember, use these clips carefully under the fair use policy. That means you can't use full scenes. Just take short clips of 5 to 6 seconds, then add an image, and then another short clip that fits your script. Also, add your own effects, animations, and filters to make the video unique. You can even ask ChatGPT to suggest visuals or scenes that match your script. Just like it suggests images, you can search those on Google and download them. You can also take screenshots from the video and use them as images. Alright, so this is how you collect all the materials needed to create your content. Now let's move on to the final step, editing. For editing, I'll be using CapCut AI. First, import your voiceover file, movie clips, and images into CapCut. Then, drag the voiceover file to the timeline. If needed, increase the volume a bit. Now start adding the clips and images in sync with your script. Begin with an image, then add a related video clip, just 5 to 6 seconds, and then add another image. Repeat this process throughout the entire video. Next, to show the episode number or movie name, I'll use background videos from the CapCut library. Then I'll add a text template from here and write the title. For example, I'll write Episode 1. After that, start adding effects to your clips. Add 1 or 2 effects across the full video, and then apply different effects to individual clips to make them more engaging. Now add transitions between the clips. Use smooth transitions. Avoid using anything too flashy or distracting. Next, add sound effects. For example, I'll add a cinematic intro sound at the beginning of the video. You can choose sound effects based on your own video style. Then, add background music. You can use tracks from the YouTube audio library or any other site that provides copyright-free music. And finally, add subtitles to your entire video. Go to the text section, choose auto caption, select your language, and click Generate. It will automatically create subtitles for your video. Then go to Templates and pick one with simple animations to make it look clean and professional. And that's it. Your video is ready. This is how you can create an anime explainer video that can go viral on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
We begin with Sung Jin-woo, widely regarded as the weakest hunter in the world. He's badly injured, kneeling inside a dungeon surrounded by terrifying monsters. At this point, he's questioning his life decisions and wondering if he chose the wrong profession. To understand how he got here, we need to go back. Jin-woo is an E-rank hunter, the lowest possible rank. Despite the risks, he joins a group of fellow hunters for a dungeon raid, hoping to earn a bit of money and contribute in whatever way he can. At first, everything seems normal, but soon, they realize they've stepped into a double dungeon, a hidden, far more dangerous section. What follows is chaos. Statues come to life, and the hunters are quickly overwhelmed and killed one by one. Somehow, Jin-woo manages to survive the ordeal. He's left critically wounded, but he's alive.